All right, you're looking at it. 2025 Grenadier Quartermaster. So not too many of these on the road yet. They are incredible. This one is built. It's totally badass. We finished our Quartermaster specific safari rack with the Onyx 6 dual control light bar. We're gonna be doing this rack, offering this rack for the round lights, each style that we're already doing. This one has the safari window cut out, so we can always do a safari window delete. I doubt any Quartermasters will come with a delete window, but maybe. This one had the factory option winch, which was really cool. So we left the front bumper on there. We did Fox 2.5 shocks, partnered with Agile, Al 60 wheels in the gray. Not sure which gray it is, light gray. Pretty sweet. This has the red powder coated frame, and we did a full undercarriage of red Agile skid plates. And I wanted to kind of make it similar to the first Grenadier, but slightly different. So I went with a red triangle, so benchmark red instead of benchmark orange to tie into the undercarriage of this Quartermaster. This thing drives incredible. If you're thinking about stability, on-road performance, if you've driven a Grenadier, you do experience sort of a wobbliness to the steering wheel. You don't get that in the Quartermaster. The Quartermaster is an entire foot longer. It's 12 inches longer, so that's in the wheelbase. That instead in wheelbase makes for an amazing ride. And driving this thing, I say night and day, it's way better than the Grenadier SUV. In my opinion, I've driven both for the last year. So really cool rig. We're gonna do a bit more with this. We're also gonna offer the rack that extends all the way over the bed. So super long rack. We'll ditch the headache rack. You'll be able to have accessories mounted to the truck bed. And we've also worked with Super Pacific. They actually came out and measured the Grenadier Quartermaster so they can do a Super Pacific pop top canopy for this truck, which will also incorporate one of our versions of the rack for this. So stay tuned. Bug Super Pacifics. Tell them you want one. I'm waiting for one. It's going to be sweet. And yeah, just wait for the final transformation of this rig. But as you see it now, it's pretty much set to go. We're ready to go to Moab. See you there.